How to check Google Forms response on phone. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with another video, and on today's video I'm going to show you how you can check Google Form responses in your phone. So without any further ado, let's get started with this video. First of all, you have to open up the Chrome browser in your mobile device. And now on the search URL, type in forms.google.com. Now you will be directed to this interface. Now what you have to do is head over to the upper right corner and tap on three dot icon. From this drop down menu, scroll down a bit and then tap on desktop side and make sure the checkbox is turned on. Now your interface will be changed in this way. Here you have to make sure that you are logged in with the same account that you have created your form with. And as soon as you do that, you will get all the forms that you have created. Now you have to select the form from where you want to check the response. Select your account and you'll be taken to your form page. Now to check response, just at the top of this interface there is three icons in a menu bar as questions, response and settings. So tap on response. Here I have one response to my form. If you have more than one response, all your forms response will be loaded in this page. So you can check your response in three ways: as a summary, where you will get your form response as a questions and answer, and then the next one with the graph as shown here. So you can extract information from this graph as well. Now if you like to view your response in a questions and answer form, tap on this question and here you can select the question. As you can see, the answer for first question is loaded up. If you want to select the next question, select the next question from this drop down menu, and there you go, you can view the second question as well, and you can repeat the same process with other as well. Now if you like to go and view the individual answer, then tap on individual, and there you go, you can view question and answer individually. Now if you would like to load your response in a Google Sheet, then you can simply tap on link to sheet as shown in this interface and then simply tap on create, and all your responses will be created in a form of Google Sheet, and that will provide you more documentation form of your form. And that's how you can view response in Google Form. That's all for today's video, and I hope this video was helpful. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe and do not forget to like, comment and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching till the end. I will see you on next video.